And today on Tech Daily, we are back for another unboxing. And well, spoiler alert, this one's from Samsung. Let's unbox. Andy with a love heart on it. Okay, this is serious. I'm going to take the big box out of the way now and see what's inside. Ooh, well. What's in the box? What's in the box? Let's find out. This is almost too good to undo. I'm pretty sure this is from Samsung. Well, the ribbon's tied nicely. Okay. I don't think the packaging tells us much about what's inside. I think it opens up this way. Ooh, here we go. Roses are red. Samsung is blue. Galaxy S25 series is a wonder to review. With Galaxy AI, it's intelligent and bright. An AI device that keeps you on track from morning to night. Its features are vast, its power immense. And it comes with a camera that captures life's every sense. Of course, launching this Valentine's Day, fall in love with the new Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Hey, here's a QR code. All right. And in here, we have the Galaxy S25 Ultra is what they've sent along for me to have a look at. All right, let's get the box out of the way. Right, unceremoniously dumped. For this next part, we might bring in the S24, just to sit on the side there as a bit of a reference. Okay, so let's have a look. This won't be a full review. We'll have a quick look what's inside the box. Just maybe compare the two phones physically and then explore the rest in my own time. Okay, what have they sent me here? This is the titanium silver blue S25 Ultra. Let's just have a look at the back here. So let's just have a look at the two phones together. You will notice the cameras there are looking, the cameras are noticeably different there. If you look at the, maybe look at them, yeah. So the camera's a slightly different look. And then what we should notice, yep, is, actually I'll leave the screen cover on for the moment, is we have, probably one of the main design features here is we've got the more rounded edges on the S25 Ultra, whereas on the S24, it's quite a square edge. In terms of button placement, no changes there. Say with, maybe the SIM card is slightly flipped around perhaps. Okay, and of course we've got our signature pen going on in there as well. So, and the main thing here, I just look at the rings around the camera lenses here. They maybe don't sit quite as high up, but anyway. So that's the basic look difference. There we go. We'll probably pass this point. I've actually got to do the phone setup, but this is the new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This is the, what do you call it? The titanium silver blue version, which is a little lighter than the other one I've got here. And of course, very important to put it in a nice case for protection. And looks like I've got a matching case color, which is nice. It's that lighter blue as well. So there it is, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just a quick look. Main thing is physically rounded edges, but the really cool stuff's inside the phone. And I'll be looking at that in more depth at techdaily.com.au. Catch you soon.